Alright, so this video is going to be a summary of what really happened between previously known as Berbutin, now known as Kuratsia, and the incident that happened between our team and one of our clients, but now it has been settled. Friends na mi sa owner. What I wanted to focus on is the person who caused the chaos. Yes, you heard it right. Hello everyone, my name is Margrette. I'm the founder of Bisaya YouTubers Club and was recently awarded as Cebu Best Vlogger 2020 by Best Cebu Blogs Awards. And I'm recording this video to tell everyone not to trust your friends that easy. Not all of your friends are to be trusted. And this is my story. So I was tasked by a network to shoot a series of locations, right? So I think that was set 7 or 6 around that locations in a span of 1 week. One of our clients happened to be in a place up north, and unfortunately I had to shoot 2 locations in 1 day. Now what happened is I was not able to focus much on the second client because I was there in the previous client the whole day. We traveled 7 a.m. We finished vlogging 5:30. So imagine the time pressure as well as the stress that I went through the whole day. And when I arrived the second venue, the second client, I had so little time that I had to juggle a meeting, interview, and a quick shoot. Now, expectations were not set that clear with the second client. And I do understand I had a miss, but there was also a miss from one of our clients' side. And I'm not blaming people. I'm just saying we could have done better. So I learned that moving forward, I need to create a written agreement between me and whoever my clients will be, so that if needed, it would be black and white, everything will be there. Okay, fast forward to a few days, nagkalalis na. Because we did something they did not like, and we did not expect that they did not really like it because the expectations were not set correctly. And again, I'm not blaming anyone. I'm just saying, nagagubot na. Now, what's funny is, someone from my team, a DJ, I know that you know him because pirmi may mag-uban na niya. He was saying that kailangan jud ko makipagkita sa kliyente in person, pero kailangan ko mahadlok kay basin pusilon ko sa kliyente. Those are his words. Now, he was here at home with me. He was even singing with me on that day. And I did not know that he was stabbing me in the face. In the face, girl, in the face. So what he was doing was he was chatting the client that you should push for a press con, you should allow all the media outlets to expose the story, you should get an interview with his friend who is also a writer of a certain local digital news here in Cebu, happened to somehow was carried away, was nagalgal niya. So that friend, a writer, I understand that he posted it maybe because he was carried away by the sweet words of that DJ. Well, sorry DJ, what he posted was not fair and just and not two-sided. It was one-sided and biased. And he knew that. The writer knew that because he tried asking me for my side, but I wanted to keep my peace. Then moto. I think nalain siya na wala ko gisulti ako side, but I respect my peace. Pero moto gipost gihapon niya. Kato na time wala pa mi nagka-friends sa client. So gubot na kayo. But it somehow, it was bad publicity for our group, but we somehow got likes and views for our show. Previously Berbutin, now known as Kurat Siya. And, well, sadness and happiness in one event. So, furthermore, this DJ, sorry Zai, you failed your part. The owner eventually called me. She apologized. We became friends. And dito na, nagabukingan na. Then I learned that while DJ was pushing me to meet up with the clients, he was also pushing media people to ask the client for an interview para iduot pagyud ang BYC o ang cast sa previously known as Berbutin, Kuratsya. So moto, grabe kag power si DJ, oy. Liman ka. Grabe siya convincing powers actually. But it was used in a bad way. He was trying to influence people in a bad way. So, nakaingon ko na, this person can never be trusted. Never. As in, imagine, pila na ka-events nag-uban mi, pila na ka-events akong gihatag niya, pila na ka-sponsors akong gihatag niya, but he did this, and you know what happened to me? I lost an important client that I valued for a year, that I helped for a year. They cut me off because of the incident involving a friend of hers. And it's fine with me. It's fine with me. If di na sila ganahan ako, it's fine with me. But what was sad was, it was also a biased decision. I understand because friends sila. But again, I trust everyone's decision. Cutting me off from a certain project, it's fine. I know doors will open anyway. But what you did, DJ, sorry to tell you, was very desperate, very selfish, very unprofessional, and grabe, very envious act. I can say that you were envious because nganong ipadaot man jud nimo ang team, nganong iduot man jud ko nimo na wala man ko sa nimo. In fact, daghan kay ko gihatag grasya unta nimo, pero what? What did you do? You did all of those. You did all of those. My God. I don't know what type of person you are. You're actually close to a devil. No? You're very good in convincing people to do something bad, and that's actually equivalent to Satan. So, I am also shocked because just nun kini siya, guys. Hilig kayo ni siya musimba. Hilig kayo ni siya mag-post og Santo Niño. Grabe, such a hypocrite of you, DJ. Post-post kag mga misa, Santo Niño, but in fact, you're already doing things equivalent to what Satan is doing. And I'm really sorry if you are like that. And I really felt sorry for you because your personality can't be matched by any other else. Nagpatabang pagay ka atong gabi una ha sa caption for your unsa to na business na milk tea sa imong tita. I helped you out. It was for free. I gave you a caption for free. Ingon pa ka na future IPI projects nimo kay pahimuon ko nimo caption in English. Nihatagan na ko nimo usa ka alcohol. Very respectful of one's passion and talent and skill, no? Grabe. I have a lot of things to say, but I can't say everything in one vlog. What I can say though is you cannot trust DJ. I won't mention his name, but I'm pretty sure there's only one person you can figure out. Ay, grabe. Believe na gyud ko nimo. Wa ko ni believe sa imong skill actually. Believe na ko sa imong pagka-satanic. And people, if they really knew me, if they really know me as a person, I am generous, I'm very kind, I'm very humble, pero sa tanang akong gihatag nimo DJ, mao to imong gibaws nako. Baga kay kagnaw. Baga kagnaw bayuta ka. Ingana akong kasuko nimo actually, but I'm just gonna smile at you because people know what I have been doing for the past 2 years. I've been sweating my ass out to be where I am right now. You see the trophy behind me? Best Cebu Vlog Awards 2020. That can't be tarnished. My name can't be tarnished easily because I know who I am and what I have done. So DJ, good luck to your future endeavors. We are happily removing you from Bisaya YouTubers Club. And I'm really happy that you were removed, by the way, from previously Berbutin. He actually made up that name. And we found out na bastos ang iyang meaning. So, take your kabastusan with you wherever you go. Take your very unprofessional, very satanic attitude. Good luck to you. BYC will never be supporting you anymore, DJ. Okay? Grabe. Bisag unsa pa to iya pang chika nako sa una, pero oh my goodness. The nerve. Right? So I think I've been talking too long. If you want to check him out, just ping me. I will give you his page. I will also give you his full name, but I'm not disclosing it in this video. Kay magpatabang niya kasi mong legal counsel. I'm not sure if it really exists though. Well, toodles DJ. I don't want to see you anymore. And guys, thank you so much for spending your time listening to me, listening to my story, and listening to my explanation to the recent incident caused by only one person himself, DJ. There's a lot of DJs all over the world. I'm not saying that specific name, but if you want to know who, chat me, message me in Facebook, right? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for always supporting me all the way despite the challenges in life. We have proven that Margrette Vlogs, Bisaya YouTubers Club can never be tarnished easily because we have done our work, very great work from start to present. So guys, banat ng iro. I'll leave you now. Bye, lovies. God bless and take care. Please don't forget to greet me happy birthday. It's my birthday on February 5. Bye!
1, 2, 3, funk it.